What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Black Market coming at you on this Thursday night. Wanted to do a quick market review. The reason I want to do a market review tonight is it's a prime example, a really good example of the correlation when it comes to market weakness, sectors, and the VIX relation. So if you look here, once again, like always, we're going to start with the overall market. We got the ES, SPY, the Q, and the VIX up. So today you can see on the ES, the market went right up to all-time high and then got super weak, right? We went up to around that 39.78 range, and then you can see that big red bar came in, and we ended the day right near that 21 EMA on the ES. And now if you look across the board, you can see the SPY was super weak as well, right? It actually opened below that range where I was talking about yesterday and continued to be weak. And then, of course, as I mentioned yesterday, the Qs had finally got above that 21 EMA and was strong. So tech was showing some strength. You can see it opened up underneath the 21. So that should have been a major Q with the Qs, and it got very weak, right? And that huge red bar came in here. Now, if you look at the VIX, look at the VIX here. The VIX came down. It went down to another low, but then you can see it had a strong green bullish candle back up to that 21 EMA. So, I mean, this is a prime example, a perfect example of that VIX to market relationship. So let's look at these sectors. Look at the sectors here. When we were talking yesterday, all the sectors look strong, right? The market looked good. People's holding calls overnight. People swinging calls overnight. Things are looking really good, right? Now look at today. Look how weak everything was today. Look where semiconductors open, right? Open above the 21, close below the 21. Tech following the Qs. The Qs open below that 21. You can see the XLK open below the 21, close below the 21. Super weak. We got healthcare. Healthcare was semi-strong, but it was still weak because you've got that strong wick right at the top. So it ran into some resistance there. Looking across the board, everything was weak today. I mean, just a very weak day. And then another simple way really to kind of gauge market sentiment or market strength or weakness is go ahead, and what I did, like on Thinkorswim, I made a watch list of just the sectors, right? Now look at this. XLF was the only sector that was positive today. Everything else is red. So that tells you right there how overall, right, how weak the overall market was. We had one sector that was green on the day. Everything else was red. And the major sectors, semiconductors, right, technology, I mean, those were really red. So this is just a quick overview, kind of just talking about market sentiment in general and kind of that VIX to sector, relationship and VIX to stock relationship. So it's definitely want to be very careful when that VIX is near the low on the daily chart and near a support level, and things are looking pretty strong. You want to be careful about swinging into positions or holding positions overnight because, just like I said yesterday, the market can change just like that, and then you're caught. You're caught to a certain extent with your pants down, and you got to go ahead and eat a major loss depending on if you're holding a ton of contracts or not. So, anyways, quick review. Just wanted to give you guys that. Have a good rest of your trading week. We'll see what Friday brings, and I'll talk with you later.